Have you ever noticed how social media has completely changed the way we consume? From viral trends to influencer promotions, it feels like everything we buy is driven by the online world. But have you ever stopped to wonder, are we really consuming smarter or just following the crowd? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the role of social media in shaping consumption without ownership. Explore how this impacts Generation Z and uncover practical strategies to take back control of your choices. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how these platforms influence you, but also how to consume in a way that benefits you financially and emotionally. Social media is everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube constantly showcase new products, trends, and lifestyles. It's no longer about just seeing what's happening. It's about feeling like you need to participate. Imagine this. You see a viral TikTok dance where everyone is wearing the same pair of sneakers. Suddenly it feels like owning those shoes is essential, even if you didn't think about them yesterday. This is what we call consumption without ownership. You see, it's not about buying things to use or cherish. It's about following trends to feel included. Social media turns products into symbols of status, belonging, and even personality. Let's break this down. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are designed to keep you engaged. Algorithms track what you like, comment on, and watch repeatedly. They create a feedback loop, showing you more of what you already enjoy. If you like one video about skincare products, suddenly your feed is filled with influencers recommending the latest beauty hacks. Then there's the sense of urgency. How many times have you seen phrases like limited stock or only 24 hours left? These strategies aren't just marketing. They're psychological tricks to make you act fast, often without thinking. And influencers? They play a critical role. When your favorite creator posts a day-in-my-life video featuring a trendy gadget, it feels relatable and aspirational. It's not a typical ad. It's someone you trust, showing you a lifestyle you want to emulate. But let's talk about the downside. Following trends can quickly lead to financial stress. The pressure to keep up with new gadgets, clothes, or experiences often results in overspending and regret. Imagine spending your hard-earned money on a product, only to realize it doesn't even fit your needs or style. This cycle of buy, regret, repeat is exhausting and expensive. Many young people find themselves in debt or unable to save for long-term goals because of these impulsive decisions. So, how can you break free? First, start by reducing your time on social media. It sounds simple, but studies show that less exposure to ads and influencer content can significantly decrease impulsive spending. Second, practice mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it add value to my life? Or is it just something I want because everyone else has it? Finally, follow creators and communities that promote minimalism and financial literacy. Surround yourself with content that inspires you to make better choices instead of pushing you to spend more. Social media is a powerful tool, but it shouldn't control your decisions. By understanding its impact on consumption, you can take charge of your financial and emotional well-being. Consume less, but consume better. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread awareness and help others make smarter choices too.